guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this month's Glamego box, and this is the first time that I'm trying Glamego, and I've heard so many good things about this super affordable box, and I'm sure all of you guys have too. And I know that there are a lot of reviews out there, but I just received the box today for review and I thought I should definitely go ahead and unbox this in front of you guys and review this and share my thoughts on it. And I am trying to expand and do different type of videos, but do let me know in the comments below whether you like this kind of unboxing and review videos of subscription boxes and what other type of videos you would like to watch. So yeah, here we go. This month's box. It says no resolutions and it says mess-free handbag, gain weight, size 0, loose tummy, blah blah blah. So many things. The back of it also has the same thing, which looks fun. So yeah, as and when we open the box, this is how it looks. It has this card here and 4 beautiful products, very nicely put. I really like the packaging of the box. Basically, this is a startup based out of Hyderabad is what I just realized, which I'm excited about. I'm really glad that Hyderabad has some beauty-based startups coming up, because usually we see them a lot in Mumbai, Delhi, or even Bangalore for that matter of fact, but there's nothing much in Hyderabad. There's a very few beauty-related websites, and we do have a lot of fashion designers, but we don't have any beauty-related startups or any fashion apps and all that is what I feel. Maybe I don't know many of them. So anyway, these are the 4 products, and this is priced at $2.99 if you purchase it for like 6 months, and otherwise it's $3.99 if you order it just for that month. I will leave those details in the description box along with the Glamego link. Starting off with the soap, this is the BioBloom soap in the variant Neem, Aloe Vera and Basil, which sounds amazing. I'm not much of a soap person, but I think my dad is going to really enjoy using this. And it has the ingredients listed at the back, which says glycerine, coconut oil, palm oil, aloe vera oil, neem oil and some others. Sounds like there are no chemical ingredients which are listed here. Apart from that, it mentions the expiry date and manufacturing date and all that. So the next one that we have is BioBloom face oil, and it says age defying and radiance booster. I have tried this on my hand earlier this morning, and I must tell you guys, I have combination skin. That means I do have oily nose, and some parts of it is oily, and I have some dry patches, and you know, it's all combination skin. And I'm usually tend to stay away from face oils, and I've never tried face oils. Actually keeps skincare very simple. I have very few products that I use, but I have been meaning to try face oils. I have heard great things about them and how they work wonders for skin. And also this Instagram things that we see, the videos where people just drop these oils, and so I'm very fascinated by that. I'm sure all of you guys are too. So I'm pretty excited about this product. When this has all the ingredients listed, and it sounds really good. It has apricot kernel oil, carrot seed oil, rosehip oil, lemon oil and some other things along with vitamin E, and it has directions as to how to use it, and even the card has some description actually of each of the products and how to use them as well. Leave it overnight for best results is what this one says. Overnight, I haven't tried it yet because I just received the box today, but I have tried it on my hand and my skin instantly absorbed it, and it was feeling quite smooth. And I also tried it on my skin today while putting on makeup, and I did the whole you know, fascinating way of dropping the oils on my face, and then the foundation did glide on very smoothly. I usually do not apply foundation much. I usually tend to go with BB cream. The makeup glided very smoothly. That I'm gonna give it to this. But it smells like soap, you know, dishwash bar. That is the only problem that I have with this, but I guess that's fine because the ingredients does have lemon oil, so I guess that is because of that. But anyway, I'm sure this is gonna be really good. I am gonna try it out a couple of times before I come to a conclusion, and I will keep you guys posted on Instagram stories or something. So the next product that we have is this Natural Bath and Body Vital Nourishment Cream, and it has grapefruit and vitamin C. It is to brighten your skin. It does say whiter, lighter and all that. I'm pretty sure it's not a fairness cream or anything. It'll just brighten your skin is what it means, I feel, because it does have vitamin C, and vitamin C helps boost immunity, and it also brightens your skin. This is a cruelty-free brand. This, I think, is the only one which is in a sample size. The others do look like full-size products. I think this is actually for face, but I'm just gonna apply it to just see how moisturizing it is. It is quite moisturizing. I think it will get and it did get absorbed really fast, so I think it will not leave your skin oily or greasy or anything. So I think this is also a good product. And the last product that we have is this Bella Voste Perfect Lip Gloss. It says it's formulated in Italy, and I think they have been around in some or the other subscription boxes. They have like different variants and everything. I have seen them around definitely, but this is my first time trying it. And this is in the shade Pop of Pink 03. And it has all the ingredients listed here, and it is not paraben free, just FYI, because I do know that a lot of you guys are always constantly looking for paraben free products. And it is quite pigmented. It is sort of peachy orangey color. It looks very nice. I quite like the color. And lip glosses have been making their way back recently, and I have been liking them in this winter. I have been using a couple of glosses because it's been pretty cold in Hyderabad, and if you are into tinted glosses, then I think you like this too. It's definitely not going with the whole matte lipstick trend, but yeah, if you are into glosses, then this will be something good because it's not super shiny or anything, but it will leave your lips hydrated, and it does look a little lustrous. Those are all the products that were in this month's Glamego box. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this review was helpful, and I will leave their website in the description box along with the details of subscription so that you can check it out in case you're interested or if you wish to purchase this month's box. I'd like to thank Glamego team for sending me this box for review. Thank you so much, guys, and do let me know in the comments below if you would like me to review any other subscription boxes or if you have any other video ideas for me. That is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. Do connect with me on my social media handles so that we can stay in touch, and I'll also share my thoughts on how these products work out for me. And if you've ordered the box already, let me know how you like it. That is it for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.